Today on Animal Fact Files, we're going to be looking at the pelican eel. Pelican eels are also known as gulper eels and umbrella gulper eels. This might cause a bit of confusion as there are other fish also referred to as gulper eels, but on this episode we're focusing on the ones most commonly known as pelican eels. Pelican eels are not eels at all. They get their name from their massive mouth, which can extend to hold onto prey just like the pouch of a pelican. Typically, they eat crustaceans, cephalopods, and occasionally other fish. Pelican eels are not built as skillful swimmers, and it's believed that they will strike out at prey only within their general vicinity. Some people describe this as similar to a pelican diving to catch a fish. During this capture, pelican eels will ingest a lot of water, which will then be expelled through their gills. A pelican eel can actually light up the tip of their tail through a process called bioluminescence. The light is usually pink in color, but it can flash red as well. This flashy display of color in the dark depths of the ocean is what draws in unsuspecting eels. Typically, pelican eels live in temperate and tropical waters, usually staying about a mile below the surface, although they have been caught in waters as shallow as 1,600 feet and can live to depths of over 3 miles. They're usually about 20 inches in length, but can reach up to twice that. Their tail takes up nearly half their body, and they are completely lacking in scales, pelvic fins, and swim bladders, all things that most other fish have. They're preyed upon by lancetfish and other deep-sea creatures, and I can't seem to find any information on how long they live, although it may not be very long, as it's pretty widely assumed that at least the females, but possibly both parents, will die shortly after mating. Not much is known on the maturation of pelican eels or their process of reproduction. However, it has been observed that as males mature, their teeth will reduce in size and their olfactory or smell senses will enlarge. It's predicted that this occurs so males are more easily able to locate a female via pheromones. As far as we know, females do not undergo any major changes before reaching maturity. Pelican eels generally appear black in color, and some individuals may sport a white stripe along the base of the dorsal fin, or the fin that can be found along the fish's back. They have a huge mouth and a long tail. Some pelican eels that have accidentally been captured in deep-sea fishing nets have actually been found with their tails tied in knots. They have small teeth, much unlike their anglerfish neighbors, but their large mouth allows them to eat prey that's even bigger than they are. For more information on the pelican eel, feel free to browse through our citations in the description below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to give a thumbs up.